Hello guys, welcome to my channel. As you can tell by the title, today I am coming at you with a day in the life of an aesthetics student. As you guys know, I'm a lash tech, I'm a single mom. I like to take care of my body by working out and making healthy recipes. That is the type of content that you will find in this channel. And now I am incorporating all the changes that are happening in my life. So I am starting a new business from home and I am an aesthetics student. So those are the things that you're going to be watching in my channel. Today specifically, like I said, I'm going to be bringing you guys along with me to school. I'm so excited. I love aesthetics school. I'm going into my 3rd month being there and it's so much fun. I'm learning so much. I'm making new friends and I'm just so excited to bring back all of these skills into my business because I am a lash tech and I'm going to be incorporating other things like full body waxing, body sculpting, and everything. So I'm going to bring you guys along with me. I want to give you a heads up. The school is mad strict, so I have to film discreetly and I'm not able to say the name of the school, so I apologize for the lack of information, but I'm gonna try my hardest within the best of my abilities to bring you guys along with me so you can see what it's like. So I'm gonna go take a shower, and before I do, I just want to say that if you enjoy this type of content, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you can get notified every time that I upload a video, sweetie. You do not want to miss this. My videos are super informative. I promise you that you will learn at least one thing from watching my videos. So this is my aesthetics uniform. We have to wear white scrubs, and these are our t-shirts. I put the little hair tie right there to block off the name just because I'm not allowed to say the name. And then I wear those nude Spanx under because they are see-through. But you know what? Today is Saturday and I'm spending a full Saturday at school. And that means we have makeup. So I actually have to wear black leggings under this. Thank God that I remembered. I will be right back, you guys. I'm gonna hop in the shower. So this is my breakfast, nothing special. It's just a regular plain bagel with some Weight Watchers cream cheese, and then for the ride, because it is a 30-minute ride, I'm gonna drink this Mighty Mango Naked Juice, only because I want to be really full because this is an 8-hour day, and then just some water so I can have in my bag so I can be refreshed. We about to eat this, y'all. I had to come into the studio to show you my uniform. All white scrubs. I try to kind of make it look cute by tucking in the shirt. I'm wearing my Croc boots because it's raining out. This is how it looks. I'm wearing black leggings under because we have makeup class afterwards. But yeah, nothing special. Simple, no makeup. We have to wear a mask, so all I do is my eyebrows, literally. My skin is starting to change now because I'm taking more care of it. I will see you guys on the ride to aesthetics school. Guys, I'm inside the class and I'm filming. This is what the stations look like. tag is right there. It's a big classroom. And I'm the first one here. I sneaked in just to show you guys. So we are now getting ready to practice mask. We got our little station ready. And my classmate is gonna be the model today because I don't want anyone touching my skin because it's a little irritated. And Juan over there is going to be performing the mask and I'm gonna watch. I will show you guys in a little bit. You guys, so we are now taking our 30-minute break and I went to Whole Foods and I got myself an almond cake and some what is this, a crunchy California roll. So I'm about to eat this, y'all, because I am hungry and then I need to change into my black clothes because we are taking makeup now. So yeah, I will be right back with you guys. Makeup room. Do it. Alright, you guys, so it is now 4:15 in the afternoon and I just got back home literally like a few minutes ago and I'm with my little man. We're cuddling in bed. I am exhausted, but these are the sacrifices that you make when you have a goal, and I have a goal to graduate from SD school. And now I'm spending time with my little guy. I know that it was a super short video, but that's all that I can bring to you guys because they are very strict at my school. Like I said, they don't allow any filming, so I'm already breaking the rules. But yeah, this wraps up this video. If you guys enjoy this type of content, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you can get notified every time that I upload a video. Until the next one, you guys, thank you so much for watching. My name's Alejandra. Say hi, everybody. Say it. Say hi, everybody. My name is Alejandro Arias Chichi. Say hello, everybody. Ooh, what's that? What's that? What's that? What's that?
I got mommy.
Like this? What's that? What's that?
Yeah, mommy.
Say hi, everybody. First, say hi, everybody.
Stop, mommy.
Bye, camera.
Mommy!